Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the bumpers, side skirts, door handles and mirrors primed up. Stay tuned. Perfect. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to keep up to date with upcoming videos. Sit back, guys, relax and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, it's about 7:30 on a Saturday. I've got three little stations going on here. I've got the rear bumper, got the side skirts, and I got the front over here. So I just did some body filler on the front and some sanding over here. So while that's drying, I'm going to move over to the side skirts, because just before that front bumper I put a little bit of paint on the rear. So I fixed up this area. As you can see, there's still some bits that need fixing, but we'll do that soon and continue getting this PPF off, which is really annoying. There's a couple of different things that I want to do with the rear bumper. I do have two rear bumpers, so we might do it. I did put up a post on sorry, it's nearly flat, on Instagram on my stories, seeing if I should paint the rear diffuser section on the back black, and a lot of you said yes. So I'm thinking of doing that black pearl. What do you guys think? I'll do the black pearl on my old one, see how it looks, and if I like it, I'll do it to both. If not, I can just swap in between the two whenever. It's quite easy to get them on and off. So I need to fix the other bumper as well. But yeah, I'm not going to bore you with the same thing I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. So let's do it. Oh, and I got all the paint too. So we've got the clear, we've got the white, and we've got the pearl. We've got the primer, and we've got some thinners. So we are all set to go. It's just all the prep stuff that we need to do. And down in the comments, hands up if you want to see more Forester content. Haven't done any for a while, and it needs some loving too, so maybe tomorrow. Hopefully you guys watch this on Monday, and check a comment down below and I can see that, and I can actually do something on Monday for you guys on Tuesday to watch for the FOS. Alrighty guys, bit of a update. Got a little bit of primer on the rear bumper so we can see where we need to fix. Just started raining too over here. This pretty much well done. Over here working on the kick panel part. So just got this lip along here to do. A little bit of the DPF there. And I still got to do the other side. Yeah, so I'm hoping to shoot a little bit of primer on side skirts and fix this and shoot some primer on that again. And we should be done for today. And I'll upload it for you guys for Monday. Alrighty guys, it's actually started to rain. I think it's set in. Both side skirts are ready for like a guide coat. Little guide coat on the rear bumper, and I've put some stop putty in. So we'll sand that down tomorrow. And for the front, I need to actually fit this to the car just to make sure we're all good around here. So I'll be doing that now. Actually, I need to refit the lights, so make sure I get the right gap. And that light broke again because I leant on it and broke the tabs, so I need to redo the tabs. Alright guys, I have the front bar back on. I have fixed the light, but we'll have to come back to that light again. I need to put some mesh in there to strengthen up the tabs, which I haven't done yet. And we need to bolt this up. I haven't bolted this up yet. And we can check the gaps. So, see if I can get in there with the wheel on still to get this bolt and this bolt on. Alright guys, got to bolt it up. It's actually not too bad for doing all the work off the car. I can go in just a little bit here with the sanding. Really want to try to get that line better, and obviously we want to get that bit in there as well. I'm going to chuck the indicator in here and see how that's looking as well. So with this gap here, that's the size that I want all the way around. So we need a little bit more on the front edge here. This is actually quite good, just needs to come down a little bit more. So I'm going to get the Sharpie, just mark it a little bit more there. We need to add on along this edge bit. Alright guys, just tried the light in the side here. Actually just pretty much from this edge along, needs a little bit more taken off. You can feel a little bit of lip there, so we can't actually get it in there. And it's going to take a bit of time, so might really focus on this section, the light, and around here. I'll do it off camera, so next episode we will be, well, next episode on the Skyline we will be painting the body. We'll have the car outside while I'm doing the bumpers, side skirts, mirrors and door handles and strips. So yeah, I'm going to take my time with this. I want to make it look good. Want to make sure that gap is the same, it's even all the way through, and yeah, want a good finish on it, because I'm putting the time in, and yeah, I've got a bit of overspray. I'll clean the engine bay up later. This isn't bolted in, but it's the same as before. Just might have to fix up some little bits, get some cracking. Yeah, I'm going to take my time, guys. Also, got a baby on the way in the next week or so, if content doesn't come out, that's why. We just had a little baby boy, so well, we would have just had a little baby boy, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to keep up to date with the Skyline V35 G35 build, and also the Forester, the GT Forester, which might make a comeback of the compound turbo setup. But anyways, I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.